Hey there, I just got to do one of my favorite things of all time, which is give someone their primordial power mantra, which is the mantra based on, it's your own personal mantra based on the vibration the earth was making at the time and place of your birth. This is such an honor and a privilege to be able to share this with another soul and human being that it just really lights me up. And I want to invite you that if you would like your own personal primordial power mantra, I invite you to comment meditation, and that'll get you the link to my meditation starter kit, which will put you on the list to be the first to know when I offer the program again, which I'm thinking will be very soon, because this is just such an honor and a delight for me. And so again, it's a starter kit, but even if you have a meditation practice, I believe that this will help you up your meditation game. And even if you've never meditated before, I promise you can too. And my meditation starter kit will help you with that. And it'll get you on the list to be the first to know when I am offering my Primordial Power meditation program again, and where you will be able to get your own personal mantra based on the vibration of the earth, the universe, at the time and place of your birth. Okay, super exciting. Hope to see you there and hope to hear from you soon. Ciao for now. Mwah.